Let's see. No, that's too boring. Nope. Oh, the news.
Hi, my name is Barbara Snindy, and this is the USA News. This week in the USA News, there is a very poisonous drink in San Jose, and it's serious. A lot of people died from it. Remember, look out for this drink right here. We got pictures of some of the people who died from the drink. This is very serious, people.
You know, that's too boring. Let's change it to something else. SpongeBob! Oh, okay, it's a breaks. Let's go and find something fun to do. Ooh, maybe I can find a drink on the floor. That says do not drink. It's definitely edible.
I saw this on TV. Oh, I heard it's a wonderful drink. Since it's on TV, it's probably the best drink in the world. So, let's drink it.
I'm so alive! I just got pwned.